Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best clear condiment organizer on the market. The Amolliar Lazy Susan Organizer, an 11-inch turntable designed to transform your kitchen, refrigerator, pantry, or cabinet into a clutter-free, organized space. If you've ever struggled to reach items tucked away in deep cabinets or on high shelves, this Lazy Susan is here to solve that problem with its smooth 360-degree rotation. Simply spin the turntable, and everything you need is right at your fingertips. It's perfect for spices, condiments, snacks, vitamins, or even bathroom essentials like shampoos and lotions. The clear acrylic design means you can see exactly what's on the tray at all times, making it easy to grab what you want without digging through piles. Made from durable, BPA and chlorine-free plastic, this organizer is both food-safe and shatter-resistant. The premium acrylic construction ensures it withstands everyday use, while the stainless steel ball bearings deliver a smooth and wobble-free rotation, even when the tray is fully loaded. The turntable is sturdy enough to hold up to 100 pounds, so you don't have to worry about it bending or tipping under the weight of your items. The design also includes a thoughtful 1.5-inch outer rim that prevents your bottles and jars from sliding off as you spin the tray, adding to the overall functionality and safety of the organizer. Measuring 11 inches in diameter, it's a convenient size that fits well in most cabinets, countertops, and refrigerators without taking up too much space. Plus, it's easy to clean. Just wipe it down with a warm, soapy sponge, but keep it out of the dishwasher to maintain its quality. One of the great things about this Lazy Susan is its versatility. It's not just a kitchen tool, it's a multi-purpose organizer that works beautifully in various areas around your home. Whether you're using it to organize your spices, condiments, vitamins, or toiletries, it maximizes your storage space and keeps everything neat and accessible. The Amolliar Lazy Susan is also a great gift idea for housewarming parties, weddings, or anyone who loves practical, stylish home accessories. Its simple, modern farmhouse aesthetic fits seamlessly with most decor styles, adding both function and a touch of elegance wherever you place it. In summary, this 11-inch clear Lazy Susan turntable is built to last, easy to maintain, and designed with your convenience in mind. It helps you reclaim wasted space in cabinets and refrigerators by putting all your small items within reach with a simple spin. Whether you want to declutter your kitchen, organize your pantry, or tidy up your bathroom counter, this Lazy Susan is an excellent solution. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more product insights. Let us know in the comments what space you'd organize first with the Amolliar Lazy Susan Organizer.